Okay, we finished our head. So we got the eyes done, we got it all painted. So we want to check the mouth to make sure the mouth's going to work correctly. So we're going to hook the mouth back up. We have attached our spring up here, and we got the screw in here. I've also used some Johnson's paste wax, which I put on the inside and up on the top here so it doesn't catch. So we're going to screw the mouth back in, and I think we're okay. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, you can put it into my comment section. I'll answer you. But sometimes when you get the mouth and stuff painted, that paint's just thick enough to catch on the side. So you want to make sure that doesn't happen, because you don't want to seal up your head and then find out that if something's not working right, then you got to tear it all apart again. So this is one thing you want to make sure you have it correct. I think we're okay. So we're going to check our string. We got that hooked up. We'll check our tension, make sure everything's okay. That seems to be working okay. So the last thing we want to do is we have our 1-inch ring, and we're going to tie that on. And I always leave the string along so whoever gets this can adjust it where they want it, or cut it down if they need to. But there we got our head together, and it's working okay. So now we can put the back of the head on and work on the our wig. Thanks for watching.